These 3 kittens are available for new homes. We have 2 lilac points. There's one. The other one's playing with the home. The other one's playing with the camera strap. We have 1 blue point. That's the little fella right here. And he has a litter brother, and the other kitten is just a little bit older. These guys are just about 16 weeks and 19 weeks old today. And all 3 of these boys are available as pets. Hard to hold the teaser and the camera at the same time, but you get a pretty good idea of what they look like. They're very pretty kitties, very personal, very outgoing, and all are neutered, vaccinated, and ready to go to their new homes.